Guys, I found a highly viral niche that you can use for YouTube Shorts or TikTok Reels. Just take a look at this YouTube channel. Right now, it has an unbelievable number of subscribers, 6.8 million, and the channel has only uploaded around 326 videos so far. It has also gained an insane amount of views. This channel earns a great monthly income, which is clearly visible. In the last 28 days alone, it has received around 112 million views and gained 30,000 new subscribers. Now, if you take a look at the uploaded videos on this channel, you'll see that even we can create similar videos using popular and free software tools. Then, we can upload them to YouTube and potentially earn a solid income as well. Before that, check out the most popular video on this channel. It has an unbelievable number of views. This video has 563 million views. Another one has 392 million, another 39 million, and another 351 million. You can clearly see that these videos have gained views in the hundreds of millions. So, if you follow the steps I explain in today's video properly, you'll also learn how to create viral videos like these completely for free. In this video, I'll show you how to generate images, how to animate them, and how to edit everything together. I'll be covering all of that today, so let's get started with the very first step. First, go to this YouTube channel and take a screenshot from one of these Shorts videos. Then, open ChatGPT and paste that screenshot in. After that, use the prompt I'm about to give you. You can get this prompt for free from my Discord server. The link to it is in the description below. Once you input that prompt, you'll be given some amazing forms, image generation prompts that help you generate images just like this one. Today, the website I'll be using to generate images is called Leonardo AI. This tool can be used completely free. First, click on the image option once. Then, on the left-hand side, adjust the settings exactly like this. Set the model to Phoenix Point 0. Select Dynamic for style, and under Aspect Ratio, go to Custom and select Mobile. You can also select the number of images you want to generate. Next, go to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt you got, and paste it into this website. Then click the Generate button. Within a few seconds, the site will generate 4 beautiful images for you. You can download them by clicking the download icon. After that, follow the same process. Copy and paste each prompt one by one, and generate all the images. Once we finish generating all the images, we'll move on to the second step. Alright, to animate our image, we can use a website called Pixverse. You can log into this site using Google. The homepage looks like this. First, click on the Generate Video button. Then, you'll see an interface like this. You'll notice a plus icon plus sign, click on it, and open the image you previously generated. After that, give a simple prompt below, just like the one I'll give you here. And then click the Create button. Within a few seconds, this website will create a beautiful animation for you, just like this. So, by using this website, we can animate all our generated images. Alright, now that we've animated everything, let's move on to the next step. The final step is editing. For this, I'm using CapCut, but you can use any editing app you prefer. First, import the video clips you've created into CapCut. Then, arrange the audio and video clips in proper order. At the top, you'll see an option called Transitions. Use a few transitions between clips to make it smoother. You can also add filters, and if you want, you can include matching background music as well. If you like, do some extra adjustments to improve the video further. Once the editing is done, you can export the video like this. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.